If Facebook is showing a network error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a quick and simple way to fix it. This is a common issue, and in many cases it's caused by a temporary connection problem, a browser glitch, or cached data that needs to be cleared. The good news is that you can usually get Facebook working again in just a minute or two. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is refresh the page. On your keyboard, simply press F5. This forces Facebook to reload the page, and if the error was caused by a temporary loading issue, this alone may fix it right away. If you're using a laptop or a device without an F5 key, you can also use the refresh button in your browser. After refreshing, give the page a moment to reload and see if Facebook comes back normally. If the error is still there, the next thing to check is your internet connection. A network error on Facebook often means your connection is unstable, disconnected, or too slow to load the page properly. Open another website and see if it loads. If other sites are also having trouble, your internet may be the real problem. In that case, you can try turning your Wi-Fi off and back on, reconnecting to your network, or restarting your router. If you're on mobile data, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. If your internet is working fine and Facebook still shows the error, the next step is to clear your browser cache. Over time, your browser stores old files and temporary data to speed up loading, but sometimes that saved data becomes corrupted and causes websites like Facebook to stop loading correctly. To clear the cache, open your browser settings, find the Privacy or History section, and clear cached images and files. You don't always need to delete everything, just clearing the cached data is often enough. Once that's done, close and reopen your browser, then try Facebook again. If you're still seeing the network error after that, try opening Facebook in a different browser or in incognito mode. This can help you figure out whether the issue is coming from the browser itself. If Facebook works in another browser, then the problem is probably related to your current browser settings, extensions, or stored data. In that case, keeping the cache cleared and disabling suspicious extensions can help. Another simple trick is to wait a few minutes and try again. Sometimes Facebook servers may be experiencing temporary issues, and the error can disappear on its own once the connection stabilizes. So if everything on your device seems fine, the problem may not be on your side at all. To recap, start by pressing F5 to refresh the page, check your internet connection, and then clear your browser cache. Those 3 steps fix most Facebook network errors quickly and safely. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.